the idea is that if you want to escape, this is a song about wanting to escape from all of the crap and just go to a special place just with the person you love the most. And we say we'll find our place in the sun, the perfect place, the place in the sun. And I thought, I like the idea, but why does it have to be a place in the sun? So that's why I wrote this song. It's called A Place in the Rain. Turn off the TV and turn off the lights. Turn off the street lamps as well. Turn off the billboards that scream through the night and scream the policemen to hell. Turn out the windows and close all the doors. Close all the shutters and blinds. Close down the churches and play to the whores. Sit back and then close your eyes. 'Cause it's amazing what comes into view when we're finally breaking the chains. As the temperature